Okay, so this is a little bit of a repeat, but this is a Word doc on the right-hand side where I just basically copied and pasted this thing over using print screen, and then I just inserted text so I could help keep it straight. But this is my, 1, 2, 3, and my 10, 20, 30. So this is the grid. I typed out the numbers, and then I'm going over to Inkscape on the right, hovering over my color with my eyedropper, and then you can't see this. That's so awesome. There we go. So looking at this number right down here, if I hover and then use Control C to copy, that's grid number 31. So I came down to 31 and pasted that hex value. And so now I'm basically just going through. I've done 31, 21, 11. I'm going to go do 32, which is this guy. So I'm activating Inkscape to make sure it resets the number. Using Control C, this is 32, so I'm pasting it here. And then 22, clicking on Inkscape just to make sure. Pasting that there. 12, copy. Paste that, 33. And I'm just verifying as I paste these in that each one is different than the one before, so I know I'm picking up a clean new value. This light pink one is 23, and then the bright pink here, copy it and then pasting it in here. Then the next step is to go to hex to RGB is one of the things I found, and I basically just, it's a little putsy, and when I say a little, it's totally putsy, but I just went through, copied each one of these, pasted in the hex code, convert to RGB. I'm testing that the color is right, so I just picked up number 11, and then I'm just going to 39, 39, 42 in here, and you can paste that if you want. You just need to make note. If you want to do this directly into ArcMap, you can. You don't have to take this second step of keeping track of it, but I like to do this just in case students have questions. I have something to go up against. So if you wanted to go right into Arc and update your legend, yeah, you could certainly do that right into your joint thing. So this is the old one I had done with the light. I'm going to redo that with this darker color ramp with the screen instead of the darken and see how this works. But basically, RGB, we want it to be 39, 39. Whoopsie. 39, tab. Oh, I'm cap locking. Hello, 39. And then 42. It should turn black. It did. Okay. So there's the first one, and yes, this is a huge mess, and I apologize for my data management, but yeah, I'm going to basically go through, convert each one of these hex numbers to RGB, and plug them in, and get a new color ramp on here.